1. 1973 Plymouth Duster. Price, $20,000, located Pana, Illinois. This aggressive 1973 Plymouth Duster is a serious Mopar street and strip machine built with powerful big block performance and proven drag racing components throughout. Finished in black with a race-inspired appearance, this Duster combines classic 70s muscle car styling with a heavily upgraded drivetrain designed for strong acceleration and dependable track performance. Under the hood sits a freshly built 440 cubic inch engine featuring an Eagle crankshaft, Eagle rods, Ross pistons, ported Indy cylinder heads, Indy intake manifold, and a massive 1050 Dominator carburetor. The engine also includes a large roller camshaft and zero-decked block setup for maximum performance potential. Backing the engine is a durable 727 automatic transmission equipped with a trans brake and a high-stall PTC converter that helps deliver aggressive launches at the drag strip. According to the seller, the engine is freshly assembled and the car is capable of running impressive 6-second eighth-mile times. The combination of lightweight Mopar construction and big block horsepower gives this Duster exceptional street and strip personality. Its aggressive stance and race-ready setup make it highly desirable among collectors and performance enthusiasts searching for authentic vintage Mopar muscle with serious drag racing capability and classic American hot rod appeal. 2. 1970 Classic Chevrolet Nova. Price, $27,000, located in Sterling, Kentucky. This classic 1970 Chevrolet Nova is a beautifully built American street machine that combines aggressive muscle car styling with dependable small block performance and extensive suspension upgrades. Finished in black with a striking red racing stripe across the hood, this Nova delivers a bold appearance that perfectly matches its performance-oriented setup. Under the hood sits a built 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine paired with a TH350 turbo automatic transmission and a 3000 stall converter for strong acceleration and smooth street driving capability. Additional drivetrain upgrades include traction bars, strengthened rear differential, and aggressive 3.73 gears designed to improve performance both on the street and at the drag strip. The chassis has also been upgraded with tubular A-arms, Bilstein shocks, line lock system, power steering, power brakes, and lowered front spindles that improve both handling and stance. Inside, the vehicle features bucket seats, custom interior upgrades, B&M floor shifter, and additional new parts still in packaging. The seller also includes extra door panels, handles, seat belts, and spare components with the vehicle. This Chevrolet Nova offers classic muscle car appearance, upgraded street performance, and outstanding customization for collectors and enthusiasts searching for a strong vintage Chevrolet street car. 3. 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2. Price, $35,000, located Cordova, Tennessee. This professionally built 1966 Chevrolet Chevy 2 is a full drag race car engineered for extreme horsepower and competitive track performance. Built around a lightweight platform, the vehicle reportedly weighs approximately 2,400 pounds without the driver, making it an excellent choice for serious drag racing enthusiasts searching for maximum acceleration and proven performance capability. Under the hood sits an all-aluminum 565 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with 2 stages of nitrous oxide for tremendous horsepower potential. The car also runs on methanol fuel and features a Holley Sniper fuel injection system for precise fuel delivery and consistent racing performance. Additional race-ready components include a Dana 60 rear end, aerospace disc brakes on all 4 corners, wheelie bars, digital dial boards, and a Stroud red, white and blue parachute for high-speed braking stability. According to the seller, the car currently runs impressive 5-second eighth-mile times naturally aspirated while offering even greater potential with nitrous assistance. The seller also mentions the engine package can be purchased separately with fuel injection, transmission, and converter. This Chevrolet Chevy 2 represents a professionally assembled drag racing machine with serious horsepower, lightweight construction, and proven racetrack capability for experienced racers and collectors alike. 4. 1981 Chevrolet C10. Price, $18,000, located Dixon, Tennessee. This custom 1981 Chevrolet C10 is a classic square body street truck built with aggressive supercharged power and timeless American pickup styling. Finished with a clean and intimidating appearance, this C10 combines vintage truck character with performance upgrades that make it stand out at cruise nights, local shows, and weekend street events. Under the hood sits a powerful small-block Chevrolet engine topped with a massive 671 blower and dual 650 carburetors that provide strong throttle response, impressive horsepower, and the unmistakable sound of classic supercharged muscle. According to the seller, the truck recently received a brand new wiring harness installed from front to rear along with a fresh 270 camshaft upgrade that improves engine performance and drivability. The vehicle reportedly drives well and rides comfortably while still delivering aggressive street machine personality. The classic square body styling remains one of the most desirable truck designs among Chevrolet collectors and performance enthusiasts, while the supercharged setup gives this pickup an even more unique appearance and road presence. This Chevrolet C10 offers a combination of vintage American truck appeal, dependable street driving capability, and serious hot rod attitude that makes it ideal for enthusiasts searching for a fun and eye-catching custom pickup. 5. 1976 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $19,000, located Selmer, Tennessee. This custom 1976 Chevrolet Vega is a lightweight race-oriented platform built for serious drag racing performance and future high-horsepower potential. According to the seller, the vehicle is currently being sold as a rolling chassis package without engine, transmission, converter, or fuel pump, making it an excellent opportunity for racers who already own drivetrain components or wish to build a custom combination tailored to their racing goals. The previous engine setup reportedly utilized a belt-driven fuel pump system, indicating the car was designed around a serious competition-oriented powertrain. The Vega platform has long been respected within drag racing communities because of its lightweight construction and excellent weight transfer characteristics during hard launches. This particular vehicle appears to have been assembled specifically for drag racing use while maintaining the iconic compact Chevrolet body style that enthusiasts continue to appreciate. The seller is also open to trades involving a clean fourth-generation Camaro, adding additional flexibility for potential buyers. With the proper engine and drivetrain installed, this Chevrolet Vega could become an extremely competitive bracket or grudge race car while still delivering the classic late 70s drag racing appearance that makes Vega builds highly recognizable at tracks and car events across the country. 6. 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $17,500, located Alexandria, Louisiana. This classic 1969 Chevrolet Camaro roller is an outstanding foundation for a future high-performance street machine or professional restoration project. Finished in primer and reportedly 95% ready for paint, this first-generation Camaro retains the aggressive body styling and legendary muscle car appearance that continue to make 1969 models among the most desirable Chevrolet performance cars ever produced. According to the seller, the car spent its entire life in West Texas and remains rust-free, making it an excellent platform for collectors and builders searching for a solid body with strong long-term value. The vehicle includes brand new tires along with additional exterior components such as headlights, taillights, bumpers, and passenger door that simply has not yet been reinstalled. The clean body structure and straight panels provide an excellent starting point for a custom-build, drag car project, or factory-style restoration. Because the vehicle is being sold as a roller, the next owner has the flexibility to install the drivetrain and performance setup of their choice. The seller also mentions possible trade consideration involving a very clean Jeep Wrangler. This Chevrolet Camaro offers outstanding customization potential, timeless American muscle styling, and an increasingly difficult-to-find rust-free body for enthusiasts seeking a valuable classic Chevrolet project car. 7. 1996 S10 Street Strip Truck. Price, $16,500, located Portland, Tennessee. This custom 1996 Chevrolet S10 Street Strip Truck is a fresh performance build designed to deliver strong drag strip capability while remaining fully functional for street driving. Powered by a freshly built 408 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine producing approximately 500 horsepower, this lightweight pickup offers impressive acceleration and excellent performance potential for racing enthusiasts and street truck collectors alike. The engine is paired with a freshly rebuilt Powerglide transmission equipped with a Pro Tree Trans brake for hard launches and dependable drag racing operation. Additional drivetrain upgrades include an 8.5-inch rear end with new 3.73 gears, upgraded 30-spline axles, new driveshaft with heavy-duty universal joints, and competition-engineered rear suspension components. Fuel delivery is handled through a Holley XP950 race carburetor, Holley fuel pump, upgraded E85 compatible fuel lines, and a new pressure regulator. The truck also features MSD ignition components, manual steering conversion, fuel cell mounted in the bed, relocated battery, and fresh synthetic racing oil service. According to the seller, the truck recently ran impressive 7-second eighth-mile times during initial testing and still has additional performance potential remaining. This Chevrolet S10 offers aggressive street and strip personality with proven performance capability and extensive fresh upgrades throughout the build. 8. 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS. Price, $34,000, located Lowell, Indiana. This beautifully built 1964 Chevrolet Nova SS combines classic compact Chevrolet styling with strong naturally aspirated small block performance and highly desirable 4-speed driving excitement. Finished in bright red with a black interior, this Nova delivers timeless American muscle car character while featuring numerous performance upgrades that make it equally enjoyable for cruising, local car shows, or spirited weekend driving. Under the hood sits a powerful 406 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine built in 2021 and equipped with Brodix aluminum cylinder heads. According to the seller, the engine produces approximately 460 horsepower and includes complete build documentation. Power is transferred through a Muncie M21 4-speed manual transmission connected to a Yukon-geared rear end with Auburn Posey traction differential for dependable street performance and improved traction. Additional suspension upgrades include a checkered racing front end with QA1 adjustable coil-over shocks along with updated leaf springs and bushings. Inside, the car features an excellent condition interior with Bluetooth audio system while still maintaining much of its classic muscle car personality. The combination of lightweight construction, strong horsepower, manual transmission, and upgraded suspension gives this Nova SS exceptional road manners and authentic hot rod appeal that enthusiasts continue to appreciate today. 9. 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000, located Johnston City, Illinois. This custom 1972 Chevrolet Monte Carlo LS Coupe is a serious street and strip machine built around massive big block performance and lightweight race-inspired construction. Finished in a rich burgundy exterior with a black interior, this Monte Carlo combines classic early 70s luxury muscle styling with aggressive drag racing capability. According to the seller, the vehicle weighs approximately 2,900 pounds with driver and is nearly ready for full competition use. Under the hood sits a freshly built 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine designed for strong acceleration and high horsepower performance. The vehicle is paired with an automatic transmission setup, and the seller also mentions availability of an alcohol carburetor for racers interested in future track-focused tuning. The clean title and overall solid condition make this Monte Carlo a strong platform for enthusiasts searching for a large body Chevrolet with impressive performance potential. The long body lines, muscular stance, and powerful big block engine combination give the vehicle excellent street presence while still retaining the unmistakable style that made first-generation Monte Carlos highly desirable among muscle car fans. Whether used for weekend cruising, local drag racing, or continued performance upgrades, this Chevrolet Monte Carlo offers authentic American muscle personality, strong power potential, and classic 70s styling that continues to attract collectors and racing enthusiasts alike. 10. 1986 Ford Mustang LX Coupe 2D. Price, $20,000, located Knoxville, Tennessee. This custom 1986 Ford Mustang LX Coupe is a lightweight Fox body performance build designed specifically for serious drag racing and aggressive street performance applications. Finished in silver with a black interior, this Mustang delivers the clean and unmistakable appearance that has made Fox body models some of the most respected and highly modified American performance cars within the racing community. According to the seller, the vehicle is currently being offered as a roller and would make an outstanding platform for a competitive small tire or no-prep drag racing combination. The lightweight Fox chassis provides excellent weight transfer and tremendous performance potential when paired with the right drivetrain setup, making these cars extremely popular among racers searching for quick elapsed times and dependable launch characteristics. The clean body lines and compact dimensions give this Mustang a classic late 80s street machine appearance while also allowing extensive flexibility for future engine, suspension, and chassis modifications. Because the vehicle is offered as a roller, the next owner can customize the drivetrain specifically to their desired horsepower goals and racing style. This Mustang LX represents an excellent opportunity for enthusiasts searching for a proven drag racing platform with timeless Fox body styling, lightweight construction, and outstanding aftermarket support within the modern performance community. 11. 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Tube Chassis. Price, $22,500, located Elizabethtown, Kentucky. This professionally built 1976 Chevrolet Corvette Tube Chassis race car is a lightweight drag machine engineered for serious 8th-mile competition and dependable high-horsepower performance. Finished in bright orange with a black interior, this Corvette combines classic American sports car styling with full race construction and extensive drag racing modifications. According to the seller, the vehicle currently runs impressive 5-second 8th-mile times and is fully race-ready with proven track performance. Built around a mild steel tube chassis with current 850 certification, the car has been designed for maximum strength, safety, and lightweight operation during competitive racing conditions. Power comes from a strong 496 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine paired with a Powerglide transmission for reliable and consistent drag strip performance. Additional race components include 4-wheel disc brakes, 4-link rear suspension, Ford 9-inch rear end, and Mega 350 delay box system for advanced racing control. The seller also mentions the vehicle can be purchased complete in turnkey or as a rolling chassis package depending on buyer preference. The aggressive stance and lightweight construction make this Corvette highly competitive while still maintaining the recognizable second-generation Corvette body style. This Chevrolet Corvette offers professional race engineering, proven performance capability, and classic American drag racing personality. 12. Round Tube Chassis Vega Drag Car Roller. Price, $9,500, located Scottsboro, Alabama. This custom 1971 Vega drag car roller is a professionally assembled lightweight race chassis designed specifically for serious big block drag racing performance. Built around a full round tube mild steel chassis, this Vega provides a strong and lightweight platform capable of supporting substantial horsepower while maintaining excellent weight transfer and straight-line stability. According to the seller, the vehicle is already configured for big block Chevrolet power using engine plates and custom headers, making it an outstanding starting point for racers searching for a dedicated competition platform ready for drivetrain installation. The rear suspension features a professionally built 4-link setup combined with a Ford 9-inch rear end equipped with aftermarket axles and aggressive 4.72 gears designed for strong acceleration and quick elapsed times. Additional performance upgrades include 4-wheel disc brakes, adjustable shocks at all 4 corners, rack and pinion steering, tubular front A-arms, MSD ignition controls, RPM switch, 2-step system, and a cheetah shifter with electric shifting capability. The seller also confirms the vehicle includes a title, adding additional value for future ownership and transportation purposes. This Vega roller represents an excellent opportunity for drag racers searching for a lightweight race chassis with proven performance components and strong customization potential for future high-horsepower competition use.